So today we will be solving a new problem which is Palindrome Linked List, Leetcode 234 problem. So let's read the problem statement. Problem is saying that we have given a head of a singly linked list. We have to return true if it is palindrome or false otherwise. So palindrome is like if we are traversing from left to right and we are getting some numbers and at same moment we are traversing the right to left and we are getting some number and that numbers are same, so it means it's a palindromic. Like let's see the example one. Example one is 1 2 2 1. So if we go from left to right, so 1 2 2 1, and if we go from right to left, then also 1 2 2 1. So we are getting same numbers, so it is a palindromic sub linked list. So let's see the example two. If we go from one left to right, 1 then 2, and if we go from right to left, it is 2 and 1. 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 is not equal, so it is not a palindromic. That's why we will return false. So let's see the approach for this question. Yeah. So the approach part is simple. First approach that comes in our mind is we will traverse the linked list and we will store the element of each the elements of the each link this linked list into the vector. Like we are traversing the linked list and we are getting 1 then 2 then 2 and 1 1, and we will store the all the elements of the linked list into the vector. So like we have an example. If we store the elements of the linked list into the vector, that 1 2 4 2 1, that is the example, random example I have taken. So what we'll do, we'll take two pointers. First pointer will point to the 0th index and last pointer will point to the last index, means n minus 1 index. So this is the left pointer and this is the right pointer. Now we will compare here, like if AR of I, if the name of this vector is ARR, like you can say vector, if this vector of I, AR of left equals to AR of right, if these two values are equal, here that these two values are equal, but if left value and the right value are equal, then we will increase left wala and decrease right wala. So left plus plus and right minus minus. And ये कब तक चलता जाएगा, while left is less than equals to right, जब तक कि लेफ्ट लेस देन इक्वल टू राइट है, जब तक कि एक पॉइंट पर नहीं आते जहाँ पर लेफ्ट और राइट मीट नहीं कर जाते, ठीक है, तब तक के लिए ये चलेगा, ठीक है। ये तो ओवर लेंथ के लिए है, इसलिए लेफ्ट लेस देन इक्वल टू राइट में और एक ही पॉइंट पे मीट कर जाएंगे। वैसे अगर इवन लेंथ होता लाइक 1 2 2 1, इफ लेफ्ट इज देयर एंड राइट इज देयर, सो लेफ्ट इक्वल टू राइट, तो लेफ्ट आगे बढ़ेगा राइट पीछे आ जाएगा, देन ऑल्सो लेफ्ट इक्वल टू राइट, तो लेफ्ट आगे बढ़ेगा, लेफ्ट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, राइट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, तो कंडीशन ब्रेक हो जाएगी लेफ्ट लेस देन इक्वल टू राइट वाली। सो हम वहां पर ब्रेक हो जाएंगे और फाइनली विल रिटर्न ट्रू, बिकॉज the values are equal, left value and right value are equal, then increase left wala, decrease right wala. That is the approach. So in this approach we are taking the time complexity big of n, and we are taking a space, we are taking a vector, that's why we are taking a space which is a big of n. So we want to reduce it to big of 1, because big of n, if we are taking a space big of n, that is a good, but we can reduce this. So we can reduce to big O of n to big O of 1. So another approach that will be reduce our spaces, if we have given this linked list 1 2 2 1. So what we will do, we will find the middle of this linked list. So finding out the middle of the linked list is very easy. We can use slow and fast pointer approach. Slow will go one pointer, like slow equals to slow का next, and file fast will go two pointers, like fast equals to fast का next means head के next का next बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। So slow will go one step and fast will go two step, ठीक है। Slow and fast pointer technique, I think you all know about this, to finding out the, if you have done the linked list. So this is the first question of finding out the middle element, slow and using slow and fast pointer technique. So using slow and fast pointer technique, we will find the middle of the linked list. Then what we will do is, like here is the middle element is this one. So this one is the middle element in odd length, this one is the middle element, ठीक है। फिर जो मिडिल एलिमेंट आएगा उसको क्या करेंगे, उसको हेड टू बोल देंगे, ठीक है, उसको हेड टू बोल देंगे और उसके आगे के जितने एलिमेंट है उसको रिवर्स कर देंगे, ठीक है। लाइक मिडिल एलिमेंट इज दिस वन, यहाँ तो मिडिल हो गया, मिडिल एलिमेंट ये है ना, इसको हेड टू बोल दिया, उसके आगे वाले को रिवर्स कर दिया, रिवर्स सेकंड लिंक लिस्ट, बिकॉज ये टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गई है, ये वाला फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट, ये वाला सेकंड वाला पार्ट। सेकंड वाले पार्ट को मैंने हेड टू बोल दिया और उसको रिवर्स कर दिया। आफ्टर रिवर्सिंग व्हाट विल आई गेट, 1 2, एंड ये वाली यहाँ से स्ट्रिंग, ये वाली लिंक लिस्ट ब्रेक हो जाएगी। तो मैंने तो ये दिखा दिया है, शो कर दिया है कि लिंक लिस्ट है पर ब्रेक हो जाएगी, मान लो ब्रेक हो गई है, ठीक है। तो ये 1 2 बन जाएगा, क्योंकि इसको तो रिवर्स किया है मैंने, ये तो सेम रहेगा लेफ्ट वाला 1 2, इसको तो रिवर्स किया है मैंने सेकंड वाली लिंक लिस्ट को। आफ्टर रिवर्सिंग वी विल गेट 1 2 1 2। नाउ वी विल कंपेयर वन हेड, this head and this head is equal or not, head 2 is this one, this head and this head equal, this head and this head is equal, so we will return true. So compare the head of the linked list with the reverse linked list. So these three are the points: finding out the middle, then we will reverse, then compare. So like if we take a odd length string, odd length linked list actually, okay, 1 2 3 2 1. So finding out the middle element is very easy. This will be the middle element, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is 2. So 1 0, sorry, 1 2 means length of the linked list is 5, so middle element will be this one. So this is the middle element. So दिस इज द हेड टू, बिकॉज मिडिल एलिमेंट की जो भी बाद में आएगी स्ट्रिंग, वो मेरी क्या होगी, सेकंड स्ट्रिंग, ठीक है। सेकंड स्ट्रिंग को मेरे को रिवर्स करना है, तो मुझको एक पॉइंटर रखना पड़ेगा जो कि एक हेड टू है। आफ्टर रिवर्सिंग, सो इसको क्या करेंगे, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, सेम ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अब इसको रिवर्स करना है 2 and 1 को, 2 1 को क्या रिवर्स करेंगे तो 1 2 हो जाएगा, 1 2 हो जाएगा। नाउ वील कंपेयर 1 1 इक्वल 2 2 इक्वल, सिंपली रिटर्न ट्रू। Now the part is how to reverse. In previous video, I have explained this about how to reverse the linked list, because the problem of the day was reversing the linked list. So I have already explained. Now I can explain like in short way. Like I want to reverse this string 2 1. 2 I have a string 2 1. Like if I have no. Yeah. This one is the logic of reverse reversing out the string actually. No, this is not a logic actually. Yeah, this is the logic, this is the correct logic actually, ठीक है। तो मैं बता देता हूँ, ठीक है। 1 2, I want to reverse 1 2, like I have a linked list 1 2 3 4 5. So what will I do, I let's see this 1 and 2. So I want to take three, I will take 3 pointers, like previous pointer will point to null, current pointer will point to head, and current का next pointer will point to current का next, this pointer, this. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज, दिस पॉइंटर को मेरे को क्या करना है, पीछे की ओर पॉइंट करा देना है, ठीक है। इसको उल्टा करना है बेसिकली मेरे को, तो ठीक है, इसको पीछे की ओर पॉइंट कराना है, और इसके आगे वाली जो लिंकेज जुड़ी होंगी, लाइक इफ आई वांट टू रिवर्स दिस स्ट्रिंग, सो इसको इस वाले पॉइंटर को मेरे क्या है, पीछे की ओर प्रिंट कराना है। तो ठीक है, करंट का नेक्स्ट क्या हो जाएगा कि दिस पॉइंटर इज करंट का नेक्स्ट प्रीवियस को पॉइंट करने लगेगा, और प्रीवियस को लिख के आएंगे करंट पे, और करंट को नेक्स्ट पे ले आएंगे, ठीक है। सो लेट्स सी द कोड फॉर दिस, एंड यूजिंग द कोड आई विल एक्सप्लेन, ओके। Yeah, so this is the simple code. Actually, I am taking a temp variable, link list node star temp equals to head, that is showing the head pointer, because I have to traverse this. I can't change head pointer, so I am taking a random pointer like temporary variable that is pointing out the head pointer. And now I will check if temp equals to null. If I have 0 elements in my linked list, so in that case I will return true, because it's a palindrome. Yeah, if head का next equals to null, if only one element is there, then also I'll return true. So these are the two conditions, simple condition, okay. Now what I will do is, so let's say the pointing in middle, like what I will do, I'll take mid pointer, that is list node star mid equals to middle of head. Middle of head is a my function. So let's see this function. This is a function of middle, finding out the middle. So I have already told you about this, ki finding out the middle is very easy. We will use slow and fast pointer technique. Slow will go 1 step and fast will go 2 step. So list should start fast equals to head का next, and slow equals to head. Slow पर पॉइंटर है जो हेड पर है, मेरे हेड ये स्ट्रिंग है, लिंक लिस्ट है मेरे पास, जो हेड वाला स्लो वाला पॉइंटर हेड पर है, और फास्ट वाला पॉइंटर हेड के नेक्स्ट पर है, यहाँ पर है, ठीक है। Now I will use a while loop. जब तक if fast and fast का next is exist, then what I will do, I will increase the slow pointer by 1 step, and increase the fast pointer by 2 steps. Slow equals to slow का next and fast equals to fast के next का next. It means I am stepping out the two elements and in this slow pointer I am going only one element. ठीक है. So finally I will return slow pointer that will give me a middle element. So this is the middle element technique. Now list node start temp1 equals to head. Temp1 is pointing out the head pointer and list node start temp2 equals to reverse of that mid of next. So how to find reverse technique? So reverse technique is this one. List node is a previous pointer will point to the null, current pointer will point to the head, and current next pointer will point to the current connects. Now I will apply a loop. Current is while current is not equal to net, not equal to null. I have already told you about this. Key pointing out the next pointer like next. This line is important. Current connects is if I want to reverse 1, 2. So pointing out this current का next should point to the previous pointer. So current का next equals to previous and we will increase the previous equals to current and then current equals to next. So this is a simple technique to finding out the reverse. So this will give me a reverse and now what I will do, I will apply a loop while temp2 is not equal to null. Temp2 is showing the head 2 means temp2 is basically head 2, the new head of the linked list. This is my second linked list. So head of this linked list is temp2. So temp2 is equal to reverse of mid connect and while temp2 is not equal to null तब तक के लिए लूप यूज करेंगे. इफ temp1 की वैल्यू इज नॉट इक्वल टू temp2 की वैल्यू वी विल कंपेयर लाइक दिस. If temp1 is this one and temp2 is this one, if these value are not equal, in that case what will I do? I will simply return false. And if these values are same, so what I will do? I will simply increase temp1 equals to temp1 connects and temp2 equals to temp2 connects. Again I will check these values are same or not. If all values are same, eh, then I will return true. Out of the loop, I will return true. So this was a simple solution. Let's run this and see if this will work or not. It is working perfect. Let's submit this. As you can see, it is working perfect. So this was the simple solution. In this solution, what I have done is I have done three techniques. Like firstly, I have to find middle of the element using slow fast pointer. And then I have reverse the second linked list. I have done the reverse of the second linked list like this one. This is my second linked list after the middle element. So I have done the reverse technique. Then I am comparing like these elements are equal or not. Temp1 or if this is a temp1 and this is a temp2. If temp1 ka value is not equal to temp2 ka value, in that case I will return false. If values are same, I will simply increase the temp1 and increase the temp2. Then again I will check the elements are same or not. So this was a simple approach. And if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. तो तक के लिए bye.